Hi, good afternoon, friends. I am Jatin Mittal. Welcome to Technical Campus. So today I have come with yet another important topic from Oracle Database Certification, which is displaying data from multiple tables. So this is all about joining two tables. This is all about fetching data from more than two tables by joining them based on the common columns. So throughout this video I will tell you about four types of joins, that is natural join or inner join, left outer join, right outer join, and full join. And thereafter I will tell you practically how you can implement these four joins. But before starting this video, I would like to say that please subscribe this channel and share your views, and those who are undergoing certification exam, then I would recommend that please collect 146 sets of question and answer from me to gain success in your certification exam. So let us start with today's topic, displaying data from multiple tables. Now why do we require to fetch data from multiple tables? Sometimes it happens that some columns are in first table, some columns are in second table. So what we can do is we can join those two tables and then we can query those two tables using select statement. So our first the foremost join is natural join, or you can say inner join. So first of all, let us understand about inner join or join, which is main join and inner join. Whenever you suppose in figure there are two circles treated as a table, so in that the filled one portion is common column, means the columns which are common in both the tables. So which means that it will only fetch those rows which are common in both the tables. So that is inner join or natural join. The difference between join or inner join or natural join is that in join you have to specify the name of the tables and columns, but in natural join it will take automatically the common column between two tables. Then left outer join, in left outer join it will not only show the common the rows which are rows, it will not only show those rows which matches the columns on both the tables, but also unmatched rows of left hand table. And in right outer join it will not only show the records which are matched based on the common columns, but also show the records which are unmatched in right hand column. Full join is basically it will show both matched and unmatched records from both the tables, whether it is left or right. It will show all the records, whether it is matched, whether the condition of matched is satisfied or not, from both the tables. So friends, let us see that how we can implement these practically. So in next session I am going to tell you how these four joins can be implemented based on two tables, employee and department. So let's proceed further. Hi friends, welcome back. So I was telling you about displaying data from multiple tables, which is yet another topic of Oracle certification. And so how we can display the data from multiple tables with the help of joins. So using select statement we can join two tables and fetch the data from required data from the two tables. So going forward in this video I will tell you each example of each of the four joins which I discussed in the previous session about first was natural join, left outer join, right outer join and full outer join. So I will first of all tell you about natural join, example of natural join, then join, difference between natural join and join. So natural join is basically in which you don't have to specify the condition. It will automatically pick the common column from both the tables. So the syntax for natural join is select ename is in first table, dname is in second table, departments from emp, natural join, dpt, right? So here we can see that 14 rows are selected. So how it worked, whatever be the department number which is existing in employee table, it is also existing in departments table. So when the records are matched, it is only showing the matched records. Otherwise in employees table there are 15 records. There is one more record called Jatin, employee name Jatin, whose record is not shown because he is not in any department. Let us see. Select star from EMP. So here we can say that there is an employee called Jatin with employee number 7777 who is not existing in any department. So this department number is not matching with the department table. So that is why it didn't show. So that was a natural join. Let us see simple join. Select ename, comma dname. Now again ename is in employees table and dname is in departments table. Same query we are applying for a join from emp join dpt on. Now in on you have to specify the condition. emp dot common column is department number, so dpt equal to dpt dot dpt ano. Here we can see the same output. 14 rows are selected. Jatin's record has not been selected because he is not existing in any department. Now that was the only concept of join. Now as I told you, there are two more joins which is more important. It is left outer join and right outer join. As I told you about left outer join, that if in a left table there is an unmatched record which is not satisfying the condition, it will show that record also which is unmatched. So how we can write for that? You have to write select in this let us also print ename, employee number, comma ename dname from emp, left outer join, DEPT. This is second column, second table, DEPT on. Condition is same, EMP dot department number equal to DEPT dot department number, right? So this is, now you can see that in this 15 records selected. So there is another record called 7777 Jatin, which is in left, which is in EMP table, which is not matched with the condition. So it has shown that record also, which is left outer join. So in right outer join there is a reverse case. The record in the right hand side of table, which is unmatched with the left hand side of table, it will show that record also. Means if there is any department in which there are no employees is working, it will show that particular department also. So let's see. Select employee number, E-name, D-name. Let us also print DEPT dot DEPT NO. Now here we are using the department table name dot department number, because we are mentioning the condition from EMP right outer join DEPT on. Condition is same, EMP dot DEPT NO equal to DEPT dot DEPT NO. So here we can see that there is a department called operations, 15 rows selected instead of 14, right outer join, right? So operations is a department in which there are no employees working. It is in right hand side of the table, so it has shown that record also. So this is right outer join. Now last one, that is full outer join, in which both unmatched and matched records in both the tables will show. So in left join we saw that there is a record called Jatin, which is unmatched, and in right hand side we saw that there is a record called operations, department number 40. So in full outer join it will show both these records also. Total 16 rows should be there. So here instead of writing right outer join, you will write full outer join. Full outer join department on EMP dot DEPT NO equal to DEPT dot DEPT NO. Now here we can say there are 16 rows has been selected. There is a record called 7777 Jatin, which is in left hand side, which is not matched with the condition. It is shown that also. And in the right hand side there is a record called operation, department number 40, which is not matched. It has shown that also. So this is how we apply joins in our table. this is yet another topic of Oracle certification. So I would like to recommend that please practice on these joins questions as much as possible. For certification exam, it is essential to practice more in this topic. Collect 146 set of questions from me anytime, and my contact details are in description box. If you like this video, then please press like button. Thanks for watching.